Okay, it's just good try, good try. Get in the middle, Elliot. Get in the middle, get in front of the goal, Elliot. Oh, good try. Good try, guys, good try. That's okay. You guys are going uphill in the second half, dude.
Steven!
Back Haley, you guys win this ball, alright? You guys back up, cover someone, win this ball. Haley, there's number 8, go get it. Very nice. Elliot, go get that. Win it back, Elliot. Oh, yes, there you go. Hard luck, hard luck. Good job, guys. Haley, way to be aggressive, Haley. Good job. Good job, Haley. Hey, because you guys were aggressive. Good job, alright?
Alan, job! Andrew, job! James, job! James, job! Alan, stay!
Win it back, guys. Win it back, Ray. Nice, Raiden. Good job, Raiden. Watch it coming across the middle. Watch it coming across the middle. Will, get in there. Don't touch it in the circle. Good job, Kaylee. Good position. Nice, Raiden. Still in. Yes, Micah. Go, Micah. Raiden, watch the guy in the middle. Watch the guy in the middle. Watch the guy in the middle.
Good job,
Will, get the goal.
Okay.
Josh, come back. That's all right, Spencer. Make a pass.
James, drop a little bit over there. Number 8. Alan, Andrew, you cover middle. Sohan, cover inside. This guy.
Good job, Will. Excellent, Will. Nice job, Elliot. Stay with it, stay with it. Okay, Will, if you hurt, sit down. If you hurt, sit down. Sit down.
Hey, look behind. Nice. Good job.
Go, let him get it and then go. Let him get it and then go. All right, good job, Dave. Good job, guys. Stay right in the middle of the field. If it comes back, Micah, you step up a few feet. If it comes back, you pick the goal, alright? Right there, Alan. Don't go any further. If it comes out. Oh, it's penalty kick. He's in the circle.
Go get it. Chase it. Spencer, come on. Daddy and Spencer, teammate. Oh, Spencer, nice. Okay, now we gotta get there. Got no one in there.
Nice, Elliot. Good job, Elliot. Go win that. Yes, Kaylee. Shoot it from there, Kaylee. Shoot it. Oh, good time. Good job. Yes, there you go. Yes, good job, Kaylee. Good finish, guys. Good finish. Way to be aggressive. Good job.
James, stop the ball first.
That's good. There you go.
Careful, Alan.
Sohan, keep running.
go, Elliot. That's yours, Elliot. Stay with it. Win it back, Micah. Good job, Micah. Turn and shoot, Kaylee. Down line, down line, down line.
All tied up. That's it.
Just do it, do it, do it. Good job, good job. Watch the outside man here, Alan. Good job, Alan. First to the ball. Way to go, buddy. Get it back. Go, Kaylee.
Elliot,
Run behind. Good, Elliot. Nice try. Stay with it. Get down. Nice pass, Kaylee. Micah, touch it and shoot. Touch it and shoot. Left foot. Use your left foot. Micah, take it. Let Micah take it. Brayden, you stay home. Elliot, you get up and for it.
That's the second ball. Left.
Brayden, step up to him. Yeah, put it in. Left foot, left foot. Shoot it down.
Shoot it, shoot it. Yeah, there you go. Go. Good job.
Elliot, left foot, first time shot. That would have went in. Outside here.
Romeo. That's it. Chase the ball.
Good stop. Nice, do it. Settle it. Yeah, shoot it. Shoot!
Oh.
Hey, Kaylee, great touch. Good try, guys. Good try. Good touch, Kaylee. Nice try, Elliot.
There it is. Good job, Spence. Touch. There you go. Nice ball.
Another ball.
Just your ball, guys. Take it. Throw it, Alan. Good job, Alan. Nice ball. Elliot, get open. Yes. Good try, Randy. Good try. Let it go.
在踢球呢，现在在。
Okay, wrap stop.
这个不 playoff first round 啊。
手看 take a break. Check up.
要赢的。那个怎么样？下午去吗？
James, you please.
等你们那个小家伙那个好了，30点钟。踢完拳12点半呀。现在下头了去。下周的话他好像。下午3点钟模样。好的。
Good job. Good pass. Use the other ball. Over there, there's the ball.
Let it go, guys. Jog it up. Andrew, Kaylee, this is your ball. You guys are winning. Keep it up.
Andrew, you go there.
Good job, Alan. Nice job.
Yes.
Get back. Cover green. Cover green player, guys. Cover green player. Oh, referee. Go win it, guys. Get to it first to the ball, guys. Romeo, right in the middle. Will, come to the goal. There we go. Yes. There we go.
Hey, Daddy.
Go. Oh, nice one.
Take it off.
Quick. Good job. Quick. Go. Nice, Kaylee. Good touch, good touch. Finish it off, finish it off. Finish off, left foot. Shoot it, Andrew, left foot.
Pass.
Oh, hey, hey, great play, guys. Hey, Kaylee, great pass. Andrew, great touch. Good try, guys, good try. That's great soccer, you guys. Good job. Kaylee, Andrew, you guys cover the man. Win this ball. Kaylee, back up a little bit. Win this ball. Watch his eyes. Nice. Good job, Alan. Yeah, Kaylee, come in. Shoot it, Andrew. Shoot it. First time. Yes. Oh, good try, guys. Keep it up, you guys. Good try. Do it again. Let's do it again. Good job.
You got Romeo. Cross the Romeo.
Win this ball again, Wolves. Win it again.
All right, good idea. Move up, Danny. Move up, Paige. Romeo, perfect position. That's really good. Hey, take it.
Good job, Alan. Kaylee, touch it. Andrew, shoot it. Oh, first time, buddy. Kaylee, turn and shoot. Alan, help her out. Rate it.